FIs exchange many different types of payments each day. On average, some 25 million payment items representing approximately $174.5 billion in transactions were cleared and settled through the CPA's systems each business day during 2012. As each day's exchanges come to a close, FIs need to reconcile these payments and determine the amounts they owe each other as a result. This process is called clearing, and it's managed by the CPA. Our systems calculate the total volume and value of inter-FI exchanges for all of the payment types we manage and determine the amounts owing to and by each FI as a result of each day's activity. FIs need to ensure that aggregate volume and value figures for any retail payments they've exchanged with other FIs that day, including POS and online payments, are entered into the CPA's Automated Clearing Settlement System, the ACSS for clearing. To do this, they enter the figures into a specific payment stream. The ACSS has many different payment streams, each one representing a particular type of payment. There are dedicated payment streams in the ACSS for POS debits, POS credits, online payments, and online payment refunds. With over 15,000 financial institution branches spread across Canada, you can imagine how challenging this process would be if each branch made its own individual entries into the ACSS. To streamline the process, the ACSS functions as a tiered system. A small number of FIs function as direct clearers. Direct clearers, which also include group clearers who make ACSS entries on behalf of credit unions, are the only FIs that are allowed to make entries directly into the ACSS. The direct clearer that is owed funds as a result of a payment exchange makes the entry into the system. Direct clearers make these entries on their own behalf and can also act as clearing agents. Clearing agents make entries into the ACSS on behalf of other financial institutions that are not direct clearers. The FIs that use the services of a clearing agent are referred to as indirect clearers. This tiered system keeps the number of ACSS entries to a minimum and enhances the efficiency of the ACSS. Let's take a simplified look at how clearing works using POS debits as an example. POS debits are exchanged via Interac and the Exchange Network throughout the day. At 9 p.m., reports are generated by direct clearers for the purpose of making ACSS entries. These reports reflect all of the transaction information that has been captured or acquired by POS terminals prior to 9 p.m., which is the exchange cutoff for POS transactions authorized that business day. Based on these reports, Direct Clearer B knows the total volume of its clients' POS payments that involve clients of Direct Clearer A, as well as the total amount of funds that Direct Clearer A owes them as a result. Direct Clearer B will make an entry into the POS debit stream of the ACSS system to indicate the total amount that FIA owes them and the total number of transactions that this amount represents. ACSS entries are made by each direct clearer against each other direct clearer that owes them funds for each type of payments that have been exchanged that day.